Oh, morning, Rachel. How you doing?
Morning, all good. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. I don't know. Well, you saw the LinkedIn post. We got another UK public organization signed up, as you know.
It's a good start to 2025.
Yeah, that moved really quick, really. So it's positive.
Yeah,
We also got about six in the pipe, which is really good.
great.
So let's just concentrate on a few things that we're going to see today. Let me bring my notes up.
Yeah,
So we're going to have a quick look at SOP, followed by job mapping, user licensing, and then the scenario recorder.
yeah,
Okay, so let's just jump into the system. So D365 RoleSecure Security Management, and we go to the dashboard for RoleSecure, and we go to segregation of privileges. As you're aware, Microsoft out of the box deliver a module called segregation of duties. Now, a lot of companies find it very difficult to set this up. So, what is segregation of duties? It's basically saying you set up roles which basically protect the company against fraud. So, for example, you know, a user should not be able to create or amend a vendor bank account and create a vendor invoice as a classic example. Because then, somebody in accounts could, okay, fine, create a vendor, create a bank account, put their own bank account details, process it, and basically defraud the company. So that's the concept. Now, SOD is quite difficult because there's millions of duties in the out-of-the-box roles from Microsoft, or will be in any customized roles that are created by the customer. Now, it's very difficult. So there's segregation of privileges. Well, same concept. All it is going up a layer. So you're saying that this privilege um, combination, so first and second, would create a conflict. Um, so because it goes up a layer, it makes it easier for companies, system administrators, to set up the SOP rules. Yeah, make sense?
yeah. So it's it's a better system than
Yeah,
SOD.
when I say better, I'd say easier
Easier.
to
Got it. Yeah,
implement and
yeah,
have control.
yeah.
And that's the key point, you know.
Got
Okay,
it.
so moving on.
Yeah,
So the next thing I wanted to show you was job mapping. Now, out of the box for Microsoft, there is the concept of jobs. Jobs in a system can be applied to basically an employee's work history. But that's all it is. It's just like something there that's not doing anything. Well, doesn't really do much, really, does it? So what I've created is a thing called map jobs to roles. So what does that actually mean? Well, you pick a job and you assign the roles. Now, accounts manager can do various activities. So as long as you set your job mapping to roles, when you have a new employee or somebody changes position or function in the company, you can just run one of the batch jobs in the module and it will assign all the roles. So it makes the admin job a lot easier. Make sense?
yeah,
And that's it. I'm not going to show you the whole in scenarios, but we've got videos on that which we can look at.
yeah. I'm gonna
Oh,
put links to the videos for each subject in the description so people can
okay.
check those for more details. Yeah,
Yeah, that sounds perfect. Good stuff. So then if we now look at user licensing,
yeah,
well, user licensing is a bit of a minefield for customers, and they often get stuck with massive bills from Microsoft, especially larger organizations where there are thousands of users. Okay. And, customers sometimes get upset. But with our system, you can have a control. You can get information on the user licenses being consumed. So this one here, by user, it gives you the actual user license type with a Microsoft user license type. So here is an example: finance, supply chain. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is just information, really. You've got user license count, which gives you the count by named user license type. Okay.
Yeah.
User licenses consumed. These are top level counts by type of license. And then you've got this interesting thing. Oh, sorry, I don't know why. Oh, seems to have frozen, which is really nice. Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not sure what's going on here. It looks like it's frozen.
Frozen on your end.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, so there was a blip. No problem. Maybe internet interference. But you've got this thing here called user license utilization.
Yeah.
What's the thinking behind this? Well, it would show the system administrator um, the utilization of the system by a user, and obviously they use a license. So what would this say? What information or what value is this? Well, if you have a user who has security roles to access parts of the system, but they never access it, well, why should they have the security role and consuming a license? So that's the thinking behind this. Now, I had a prospect. We had a prospect in Netherlands, um, where there was a system admin guy spending approximately 6 to 7 days a month analyzing and compiling spreadsheets with the utilization of the system. Obviously, that's very expensive, time consuming, prone to error. Well, this gives you all the information that you need to kind of determine if a user needs a specific role. Make sense?
Right. Yeah. It's amazing. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's pretty powerful. The next thing I wanted to show you, which we've seen before, but let's have a quick look. We got the task recorder, so we can create a task recording.
Yeah. What's that?
Let's
Scenario recorder.
Yeah, exactly. Sorry, yeah, good point. It's called the scenario recorder out of the box from Microsoft. And this allows you to record what you're doing out of the box from Microsoft.
Yeah.
But then at a click of a button, you can save that information into the scenario log inside D365 RoleSecure, and you can see all the entry points required to create a role or edit a role to grant access to that part of the system.
So that's what you can't do out of the box, right?
No, you can't. No, out of the box, there is the task recorder,
Yeah.
which you can then export to a Word document or a XML file developer output.
Uh-huh.
But then the developer output is basically an XML file, which can take like a lot of time, very time consuming
Right.
for a system admin to analyze. Where in my system, there's a button after you made your recording to click and save the information into the scenario log.
Got it.
And that's it, really. Good stuff.
Good stuff. Way to go.
Way to go. Okay, so well, I'll let you do your stuff. Just to let you know, we've got a
Yeah.
meeting on Tuesday with Nick again in New York. Apparently, that big solar company wants to sign a deal, so let's get that done as well.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna. Yeah, sounds brilliant. Actually, I'm gonna rush later on because I've got a few things to wrap up. But let's catch up later in the week. Yes.
Have a good weekend.
Okay. Take care,
All
Joel.
right.
Good day
Nice one.
now.
Take it
Bye.
easy.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.